Public School. I'm your science teacher. We are learning chapter 13. Why do we fall ill? Now the question arises about how does this disease spread, right? So how do these infectious diseases spread? So there are four ways in order that the disease will be spread. The first and the most common one is it can spread, the microbes can spread in the air, right? If you see here, such disease causing microbes can spread through the air. They can occur a little droplets thrown out by an infected person who sneezes or cough. So ideally when the people cough or sneeze, we always advise that person to cover their mouth either with a handkerchief or with any means of cloth, right? So what they are telling you here is that disease causing microbe can spread in the air, right? How? When the person cough or sneeze, it goes in the air. Okay, it goes in the air, and someone standing close by can breathe in these droplets, and the infection starts in it. The same thing happened for the corona. That is the reason the doctor advise you to wear mask, right? So if somebody sneeze or cough or do anything, who have already have corona, it can easily go to your body, and that is the reason we have to wear mask compulsory, right? Best example right now, which is a worldwide epidemic going on, right? Some of these common infections we can see around is common cold, pneumonia, and tuberculosis. Yes, TB is one of the very highly infectious disease. Okay, that is the reason the one person who is affected by tuberculosis, the doctor advised them to stay at home at least for 2 months. Yes, at least for 2 months. Okay, the second thing what we talk about, the disease can be spread through water, right? Disease can be spread through water. So this is the common thing, like if the excreta of someone suffering from an infectious gut disease such as cholera get mixed with the drinking water, and such water, if you drink that water, you can easily get that disease. Okay, so what did I say? If someone is suffering from cholera, if that his excreta or his her excreta get mixed into the water, and that water if you drink, you can easily catch that disease. So the other way of mean is through water. So that's why the people advise not to drink water from somebody else's bottle or glass. Okay, so the cholera causing microbes will enter into a healthy person, and the person gets suffering from cholera. The third is through physical contact, right? The third is through physical contact. Okay, now physical contact are many like handshake, hug, in sports, wrestling, right? And the last one is the sexual activity. Okay, so if somebody is having a physical contact, for example, you meet your friend, you shake your hand, you hug your friend, right? So that is the reason even the corona, if you talk about, people don't advise to handshake, right? The worldwide is now people are using namaste, so that they are not getting directly in contact with one another. Okay, and the last one is, as what I said, if you talk about AIDS, right? That disease can be only goes from blood to blood, right? So one of the mean is the sexual contact. Okay, other is by, if a mother is affected by AIDS, and if a baby is breastfeeding from her, then the baby also get been affected with the same diseases from the mother directly. Okay, so other means is the physical contact, and the fourth and the last one is there are certain animals they can spread those diseases, means they can carry the infectious agent along with from a sick person, and then it goes to a potential host, means a healthy person. If it inject that infectious things into that other healthy person, then we can carry such diseases. And such animals, we call it them as vectors, right? We call them as vectors. And who is that commonest vector? Obviously mosquito, even the fly, right? That's why we used to close our food with some sort of net or anything. But the biggest vector we call about is mosquito. The mosquito bites some sick person and it goes to you, then definitely that mosquito will carry such things. And most of them are females mosquito. Why? Because female mosquito need highly nutritious food in the form of blood to lay eggs. That is the reason female mosquito is very dangerous in order to spread such diseases. So there are four means of spread, as what I said. One, through air. Second, through water. Third, physical contact, right? Third, physical contact. And fourth, through vectors, means through animals. Okay, so I hope you understand how does the diseases are spread by such four means. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much. Ask me queries if you have any. Thank you.